Say dada. Dada. Say banana. Say nana.
Nana.
Say auntie. No, that's because you don't know her face because she's been gone for so long. You want to say auntie? Yeah, that's kind of close. Say apple. Mama. Where are you going? Where's your stepper? You go for a little walk. You go for a walk. Stepper. Go on. You go. Oh, Zipper? Do you have any more messages for Auntie far away? Any more messages? Any more? River. Oh. Want to show her your new skills? Come on. Go for a walk. No, not gonna happen.